Hello and welcome to the Gig House Kitchen, where today I'll be showing you how to make the everything sauce. This basic sauce works for patatas bravas, meatballs, pasta, even homemade pizza. It really goes with anything and everything, so if you want to know how it's made, keep watching. This sauce is one of our 5 mother sauces, which is a type of sauce that can be used for many different purposes. This sauce can be used as the base for almost any tomato-based sauce, which is why it's so important to learn. First, I have a tin of chopped tomatoes, 1 medium onion, a few cloves of garlic, then here I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ancho chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of cracked black pepper, and distilled white vinegar. You can also add a chicken or vegetable stock cube, but this is optional. We're going to fry off the onion and garlic. You want to give these a rough chop to help them cook faster. The pieces don't need to be small or uniform since the sauce will be blended at the end. Add some oil to a pan and sweat off the onions and garlic with a little warm water to help them soften. Next, we add in the chopped tomatoes. I generally swill out the can with a little cold water to make sure I get all of it. Next, we add in the seasonings and stir the ingredients together. I then let the tomatoes cook off for a minute or two before I add 300 ml of hot water. If you are using a stock cube, this would be the time to add it. Stir the ingredients together and then cover and let the sauce simmer for 20 minutes on a medium-low heat. This is just to allow the vegetables to cook down so they're soft. After 20 minutes, take the sauce off the heat and allow it to cool for 5 to 10 minutes before blending. This is so you don't get splashed by any hot liquid. Then, using an immersion blender, I blend the sauce to my desired consistency. I personally don't mind if mine is a little bit chunky, so make it as smooth as you'd like. Finally, we taste the sauce. Add a few dashes of vinegar to brighten the flavours and then add more salt and sugar to taste. Mine seems fine, so I just add the vinegar. Often when we're seasoning, what we interpret as being bland is actually a lack of acidity. This is why we should add acid first to avoid oversalting our food. Your sauce is now done, so let's see how it looks. There you have it, the everything sauce. In a few weeks, I'll be showing you how to use this exact sauce to make a delicious homemade pizza, so don't miss that. Thank you for joining us. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time in the Gig House Kitchen. Bye.